Hello everyone. I wanted to give you a quick just run through of what to expect for classes and for lessons from here on out. I am learning a lot of new things, so things might be changing, but this is my goal for starting from now and moving forward. So remember that if your student comes to me normally for the lesson, like if they come to me for reading, they would try to do then my reading lessons opposed to their classroom teachers. They will find those things attached to Seesaw and can go there on a daily basis. So if you look at the screen that I'm showing you, this is what my basic lesson layout is going to look like as of now, if things don't change. Normally on a Monday, my goal is to have all of these red things filled in. I'd like to give you the full lesson for the week from on the first day so that you can complete it. Like if you're going to leave for the weekend or leave for a couple days, you can do extra work one day and get more done and stuff like that. So my goal is to get you the whole lesson for the whole week's lessons at one time, but that's not going to happen this week because I'm still trying to figure it all out. So if you don't see a link on the lesson plan, everything else should be found in Seesaw. A lot of lessons won't be posted until the day that they are playing. So every subject has 2 lessons every week. If you look at the bottom of this, there's a key. Lessons are required. Activities are highly encouraged, but they're optional. They're there to help you keep learning, but if you have something else going on that day or you're too busy or have too much to accomplish, it's okay if you don't get them done. And then Zoom meetings are also optional. These will be a time where you can ask questions. You can we can kind of check in and see how you're doing. Right now, I have 4th grade on Wednesdays at 4:30 and 5th grade on Thursdays at 4:30. So, excuse me. So yeah, so you can see the lesson plan as laid out. So Monday is ready to go. So you can start working this morning on Monday's activities. Your reading lesson should be on Seesaw right now. Your math lesson, there's a link right there. You need your math book. And then for writing, it's just an activity. So if you don't have time to do that today, that's okay. Please email me or text me with questions. You can also respond to this post on Seesaw, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. I wish you well this week, and please let me know how I can help. Have a good week.